Hello, in this video we are going to do abstract designs with blooming gel. Coming up. I will be using Lady in White blooming gel by Nailcouture, Rose, which is more like magenta, Violet, which is purple color, and Blue, which is orchid. I will also seal it with a brilliant top coat and synthetic brush number 1 for some small details. I will start with background and apply white color, Lady in White. And yes, I know that my tip is already white, but we need it in order for the next colors to flow on this background. Most designs with a blooming gel, they look like flowers, and honestly, I'm not a big fan of roses and flowers, so I really wanted to create something different. I will start with the blue color and take a large drop and create some kind of half of the wave. Then you just wait for a couple seconds and continue working and create another wave. And as you can see, most of the work this gel will do for you. So all you need to do is just to fill up the white spaces with the wavy lines, and that's it. I like to create the look that we have mostly blue color and only some tiny white lines in between. So that's why I take the brush and connect these segments with each other and create some kind of a frame for the nail. And also when you will be working on the nails, do not apply too much color close to the cuticle because we can flood it. So what I suggest is to leave a tiny gap, and then with a thin brush you can come closer and fill in all the spaces. But this step is optional, you don't need to do this. I think it looks cool without it too, but for some reason I just really want to frame it out so it will look like some kind of abstract picture. Now cure it for 1 minute in LED lamp, and we only need to seal it with a top coat. Since these drops, they have a little different height, I apply a little more top coat than usual just to make sure it will all be sealed and smooth. And here we go, the first design is ready. Now let's make another one. I will be using the white background again. Well, honestly, for these designs I only have a white one. So what's special about the blooming gels is this color we're using now, the color we use for the background, and that what makes all the colors you apply on top float and create this beautiful ombre looking lines. Then I will be using violet color, and now I'm using the brush from the jar and create a large wave just like this. Now with the small brush I will create smaller waves and try to make them a little bit parallel to each other. So I start with a different side. I started first one from the cuticle area, the next one will be from the bottom, and so on. Now, as the gel is doing its work, flowing all over, I will carefully fill in the cuticle area, take some more color and carefully outline these parts. Once again, I would like to connect them with each other so it will look like we have a dark purple background and this beautiful white and light purple lines. So when working near the cuticle, make sure you do not apply too much. And then we cure. Honestly, I was a little worried that these colors might wrinkle after curing in the lamp, but as you can see, they didn't. So once again, we seal it with a top coat, cure for 30 seconds in LED. This is a no wipe top coat, so we don't need to do anything after it's cured. We have a sealed, beautiful, shiny design. Now let's make something different. Once again, applying the white background. So the thing is, if you apply more, it will float better and it will look nicer. But when working on the nails, you don't want to flood the cuticles or the sidewalls. Neither you want to make nails look bulky. So I suggest to apply a thin layer of white base. Now I'm using purple color and create another line, and this one will go parallel with this one and then another one. So do not be afraid to apply them very close to each other. This is how the product works. It will always leave this tiny margin of white between them, and this is what makes all this design look so cool. Honestly, I love abstract design. I mean, no matter how you try, every time you do it, it will be slightly different. And now once again, so you see here I applied probably too much of the color near the cuticle, so what you can do is just take the brush and carefully remove the extra product because we don't want this nail to be extra thick. Now cure again and seal it with a top coat. So when working on the nails, also check the side walls that you do not apply too much on the sides as well. Cure after sealing for 30 seconds and we're done. Now another one and another white background. So in this particular brand I also seen black base as the background, and that's it, just two colors. So guys, can you please let me know in the comments, have you seen another colors of backgrounds for this blooming design style? Now I will take purple and again I will use the brush from the jar and basically outline the frame of the nail. So that's all that I did, and with a small brush I will just get rid of the extra product that I have near the cuticles and once again connect them together and cure. This is it. And then I seal it with a top coat. Actually this is the smoothest design of them all because we don't have much small parts or segments in this design. This is pretty much the whole piece, so it came out smooth from the beginning. Cure the top coat for 30 seconds and this design is ready too. I really like how it looks so dark near the cuticle and near the sides and how light the color is in the center. Now let's do the last one. Once again I apply the white background, and by the way this particular gel is very thick, which makes it a little bit tricky to apply thin, but you just need to press with a brush a little bit more than usual. Now, without curing, apply blue on the one side, and then with a small brush I will be adding another line on the left side. You can already see how this original drop, how it stretched out. So now I just want to make a thin line in the left, and you see it's floating again towards the previous one. So most of these beautiful looks and ombres, they're just done by the gel itself, so you don't really need to do much here. Cure and seal with a top coat. That's it, one of the easiest nail art ever. Cure for 30 seconds in LED, and this is it. This design will definitely work for nail technicians of all levels because product does all the work for you. Let me guys know what do you think and which of these designs is your favorite. I think I like the one in the middle and the one on the right. And also let me know, have you already tried blooming gel and which brands do you like more? Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to see more nail art videos by me, just like this one, consider subscribing as I post new ones every week. See you in my next one. Bye bye.